Hey there. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to add effects to your Messenger video call. If you've been wondering how to add some extra fun and excitement to your video calls, then this video is for you. Before we get started, make sure you have the Messenger app installed on your phone. If you don't have it already, head over to the Play Store and type in Facebook Messenger in the search bar. Look for the chat bubble with a sideways lightning bolt and its gradient between purple and blue. Tap on it, and then tap on Install. Once it's done, tap on Open to start the app. Once you're in the app, sign in like you usually would. Then tap on a chat and tap on the video camera icon from the top right corner of the screen. Allow Messenger access to your camera, microphone, location, and any other requirements it asks for. Now, here's where the fun begins. While you're on the call, tap on the smiley face with sparkles. This will take you to a menu where you can select different effects to add to your video call. You can choose from the For Me section, which includes effects that only you can see, or the Background section, which changes the background of the call for everyone. There are so many cool effects to choose from, like adding a virtual hat or glasses to your face, or even changing your background to a tropical beach or outer space. You can also add filters to your video, like black and white or sepia tones. Once you've selected your desired effect, it will automatically be applied to your video call. You can also switch between different effects during the call by tapping on the smiley face again. That's all there is to it. Adding effects to your Messenger video call is a simple and fun way to spice up your conversations and make them more memorable. We hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching.